Hi guys, my name is Aaron and I'm part of Team UOA 5 for this MYOB IT challenge. And we are here today to present our solution, which is lockdown analytics. So a little bit on how we created this solution. So we were given the case to figure out a way for small and medium businesses to survive in a COVID-19 world. And what we found was that there's a big demand for information and analytics, and that is how our product was created. So, Lockdown Analytics provides a solution to this problem as we strive to be the helping hand for diminishing businesses with our unique and competitive service. So, how our service will work is that it will be accessible through a platform of a web-based application. And this means that you can access it on a variety of different platforms and operating systems, and this should maximize the number of potential clients that we'll be able to get. How Lockdown Analytics works is that it connects clients to industry-specific insights that they can use to better survive and grow with the problem that is COVID-19. Although we have many competitors, such as other analytic companies like Datacom or 11 Ants, what makes Lockdown Analytics unique is that we use the Consumer Confidence Index with cloud-based solutions such as machine learning and big data to gain detailed insights on critical success factors for struggling SMEs. And so we focus on industry-specific analytics, which shows and compares how industries are doing relative to each other. And what this does is it can tell a business on how their company is doing relative to a successful company during lockdown. And we can advise them on how to adapt and how to use these processes to also help their business survive. So the features of lockdown analytics is that it is able to use machine learning to gather data and recognize trends in the market. It provides overall industry analytics and comparisons. It connects clients such as small and medium business owners with analysts through conferences online. It can provide tailored reports for those clients. Um, and it has the capability to analyze consumer confidence indexes to create valuable insights. It is also able to analyze successful competitors in the industry and infer advantageous adaptations for your company. We have efficient data collection and manipulation processes. And the most important, I think, is that it's able to recognize pain points in a business and to advise possible solutions to these problems, which is what this product aims to do. And all of this comes for a yearly subscription plan of only $200. Now, I'll hand it over to Joseph to talk about our financial plan. Um, but I hope you enjoyed hearing about our business case. Cheers, guys.
Hello, my name is Joseph, and I will be presenting the financial plan for lockdown analytics today. When we went about creating the financial plan, we tried to decide what type of business are we? Well, we're a business which is rather small, maybe initially only 5 employees, who uses cloud computing, AI, and machine learning to help empower small to medium businesses in their industry post-COVID. So what type of business is similar to ours? Well, a small to medium cloud computing business. And what type of costs would this type of business have? So we figured out that our 4 main costs are going to be employee costs, hiring the people who are going to be doing the data analytics, app costs, setting up the app, advertising, making sure that we are known, and Azure services. So we're able to do the cloud computing and to do all the machine learning that is so important within our work. The income of these types of companies we reckoned was between 1.5 million to 2.7 million. And so in the first year, we've set it up so that we're going to be earning 1.5 million and expect it to grow to 2.7 by the third year. Of course, initially, we aren't going to be making as much money because we won't have quite as many employees and customers. But as we go along, we plan to go and gradually grow the number of employees, the number of customers, and hopefully that means that we will be able to go and expand our company. As we can see, the number of employees goes up, the expenses go up, but we can also see that as the number of employees go up, we should also be able to tailor and cater for more customers. So hopefully we'll be able to get a net gain over the 3 years. Of course, this isn't a perfect way of going and figuring out the expenses for a company like this. So we will expect for some of our net gain to be lost to unexpected hazards, which we hadn't accounted for in our financial plan initially, but it will inevitably be there. Thank you. Hello, it's Joseph again, and I will be explaining the architecture on behalf of Tony for our group. So for the basic idea of this architecture is that we're going to have an app, and from this app, you're going to be able to request analytics data, which will be generated from the cloud and is also hosted on the cloud from other clients to our company. And you will also have access to the analyst team and being able to book with them. So the client will be able to make a request to the app to go and access data or to go and get a report, which is tailored specifically for them for their industry. Or they can make a request to the analyst team to go and get a booking with an analyst for an online meeting. Once they've done that, the app will go and give a response, which goes and tells them, yes, you have gone and appropriately booked everything, or no, you haven't appropriately booked everything, we're all booked out, something similar to that. The front end is going to be based on React, which is a JavaScript framework, and we'll use that for the app and website, and I guess it'll be web-based so that it's on more interfaces. The backend will be done with Azure APIs and Python, and I imagine that if we want to, we could even host it on some of the virtual machines which Microsoft offers. Next slide. So this is the app interface which Tony kindly provided to us. So as you can see, there's industry analysis, consumer confidence, and strategic solutions. So our idea was to use the consumer confidence interval to go and help provide industry-specific solutions and like aids to small businesses. You see it's minimalistic, there's the Eiffel Tower, but the idea is that you would be able to, somewhere on the site, be able to go and request a booking with one of our analysts, maybe even have a chatbot on the side, and you'd be able to go and request for your specific industry analytics, I guess request for the consumer confidence data, and I guess also some like specific tips and tricks to help you get it all done. All right, I think that's all. Thank you.